So I'm taking the first steps in figuring out building our bed platform.
Seen your spectacular air guitar solos, fingers moving like lightning across an imaginary fretboard. Don't let anything.
You know I've been around for years. Baby, I've seen all your tears. Now I'm in your blood, now I'm in your blood. You know I'm like a childhood friend, and finally we meet again.
This was another kind of slow day for the project. So what I've installed is 3 of the 4 uprights on each side. And then I'll have suspended uprights in the back. You can see the plus nut right about there, that area. These 3.5, this is all marine grade plywood I had left from another project. So this will get a 2-inch rail. I'm not sure exactly what the proper terminology is, but it'll be screwed and glued on both sides to box this in and give it rigidity on all of these. The one at the very back of the van is 3 inches. With a little tighter space there, so I went 3 inch there, and I'll build those, and then once those are built, I will deck it with 3/8 Baltic birch. All right, my goal today is to have the cross members or the supports for the bed platform done. These are 3.5 inches wide with 3.5 inches wide with a 2-inch cord on each side, or I don't know what the heck the proper term is. This is making a truss that will then be secured on both sides. It'll keep the flexing down to a minimum. Here are the uprights. So there's 3 on each side. That's marine grade plywood, 3/4 inch, set off with washer plus a nylon washer between the metal and the back washer to keep or eliminate any squeaks. And then the third will be mounted in these 2 plus nuts and come up to this level. So I'm gonna have to, it's gonna take a little figuring to get that one into the right spot, and it'll only be 3 inches instead of 3.5. So anyway, that's the plan. We'll see how it works out. I'm hopeful that it'll be it'll make the platform very stiff. if it starts to flex, you know, we'll check, and I could either put some uprights or do something else. So we'll figure it out. It'll all be good. So here we go. Back to work. So I actually, to keep the glue mess to a minimum, I put these in position. You can see better here, and ran a pencil across the inside, and that way I have an idea where to put the glue. Then I'll kind of make sure it's all flat and clamp it tight, and then just start putting screws in from the side. Dread the fugitive mind. Here, there we go.
So Desmond is attaching the plywood to the top of our platform. Whoop. I came right when you finished.
Well, I have one more to do, so try this guy real quick.
Endless trips, never-ending trips to the hardware store to get new washers and bolts or screws.
Yeah.
Are you using bolts?
Well, these are machine flathead countersunk. What I'm trying to do is get them down right into there.
So they're level with the...
Tight, so that everything's like that. See? Beautiful.
Okay.
Whoops, hang on a second. There.
So now it's completely level. Awesome.
And then, boom, the screw goes through and then pulls down.
Awesome.
The washer.
And use the little picture hanging hammer.
Beautiful.
Little fuzz on the edge.
Yeah, we're going to be
There's a
inside
little
of
button
that
there
here for
for
the rest of
the
our
little-
life.
There's a little weasel sand there. Okay. I'm really picky. I'm a great supervisor. Hey, I already gave the dog a bath, planted all the flowers that we bought at Home Depot to get our house ready to sell, and weeded in the garden and transplanted pots. Well, I guess that's planting flowers.
Baby, so.
And we're gonna barbecue some salmon for dinner
Let the house go to the highest bidder.
and live in a van for at least a year, maybe longer. So much cheaper living in the van than in a house.
Yeah,
I don't know why.
This van is actually making us money, right?
Not yet.
I feel like every time I drive to the hardware store and buy something new, I'm making money.
Every time Battleborn batteries get delivered.
Boom, we hit pay dirt. I love that when it cuts like that.
Yeah. My job is so tough. I'm just holding these down while Desmond puts the nut underneath to tighten the bolts.
Important work.
Yeah.
Okay, now the one.
So I'm leaning over again.
You what?
I'm filming again.
Oh. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
There we go.
And oops, Desmond was underneath.
Wow. That looks, dude, that's so sturdy now.
Yeah, it's a lot sturdier. It's a lot better.
Way better.
So there's the platform. It's really high.
I'm 6 foot something.
Yeah, 6'1".
I'm 6'1", but I'm
But
at
it's,
the age where
yeah,
I'm
it's
shrinking.
and it's we're on a slant, so
But that's badass.
yeah, it's gonna be great because our bikes are gonna fit under there and everything's gonna be under there.
Yeah, very nice.
And it might be a little spot in the front there for Trooper.
Yeah,
For his bed. Yeah.
Okay, so what was I doing?
We're gonna drill the last one.
We were just going to drill those out, so let's get those. Okay, there's the platform. We're going to have to stop probably pull these and countersink just a little more. Just get them flat, but the slats will go on top of this.
On our escape trailer, just to lift the mattress off that platform so you
Yeah.
get mold growing.
Yeah, and
It worked really well.
And
just
I do
airflow.
think I'm gonna put some holes, some ventilation holes in the platform itself so the air flows from underneath
And we're
and
gonna
through.
tack this. We're probably gonna hammer these in, put a little brad or something, or
Yeah, we'll
screw.
secure them with something. We'll use a 16 penny nail and a sheet metal screw in honor of my dad and Jeannie's dad.
My dad, whatever he touched first.
Whatever.
If it worked, it worked. How two things together.
Yeah, we'll have like some square nails from the 1850s.
Oh, I love those ones. Though.
Yeah. Look at this thing, man. This is just, I am just really
No response.
surprised at how rigid it became. I do have some more washers and bolts to install. We're set, but this is, hang on a second, let me, here you go. You can see me lounging in my natural habitat. Oh, so this will be, shoot man, I can live on this for a long time. Is she home? Awesome. Awesome, possum. Really? Alright. Have to trim those down a little bit, center them, but yeah, that's where we are. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know what you think if you have any questions. And we were going to do the entire van build series from test drive through final tour of the van. And we're working on the bed platform. Thanks a lot. See you next episode. Bye.